Skinny fat explained, the science behind it and how to fix it. By the end of the video, we'll know about the science behind the skinny fat condition and effective strategies to transform your physique. If you're struggling with a body that appears thin but lacks muscle definition and carries excess fat, this guide will help you understand the underlying causes and how to address them. Understanding the skinny fat condition. A skinny fat physique is characterized by a slim appearance combined with a higher body fat percentage and low muscle mass. This body composition can lead to health issues and an aesthetically imbalanced look. The science behind skinny fat. Body composition. Body composition refers to the percentages of fat, bone, water, and muscle in the body. A skinny fat individual typically has a higher fat-to-muscle ratio, which can result in a lack of muscle tone and an increased risk of metabolic issues. Metabolic health. Having a higher body fat percentage, especially around the abdomen, can increase the risk of insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases, even if the person is not overweight by traditional BMI standards. Muscle and fat distribution. Genetics play a significant role. How your body stores fat and builds muscle. Some individuals are genetically predisposed to store more fat and have a harder time gaining muscle, contributing to a skinny fat appearance. Causes of skinny fat. Lack of resistance training. Number. Sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle with minimal physical activity promotes muscle atrophy and fat gain. Long periods of sitting and a lack of regular exercise contribute significantly to the skinny fat condition. How to fix skinny fat. Number. Step 1. Balanced nutrition. Protein intake. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to support muscle repair and growth. Include sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and protein supplements. Complex carbohydrates. Focus on whole grains, vegetables, and fruits for sustained energy. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Step 2. Resistance training. Implement a structured strength training program, focusing on compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups, leading to significant muscle growth and fat loss. Step 3. Cardiovascular exercise. While resistance training is crucial, do not neglect cardio. Include moderate intensity cardio sessions 2 to 3 times per week to support heart health and aid in fat loss without compromising muscle gains. By the end of this guide, you now have the knowledge and tools to tackle the skinny fat problem. Stay dedicated, be patient, and embrace the process of achieving your fitness goals. Good luck on your journey to a fitter, healthier you.